All right. Hi, guys. We're going to do a science experiment today. You need to make sure that you get mom and dad to help you with this. All you need is milk, food coloring, a dish, a cotton ball, and then some dish soap. First thing you're going to do is take a cup and put some dish soap in it. And then I'm going to put my cotton ball in the dish soap. So you can see I'm kind of shaking it around, getting all the dish soap on it, just kind of leaving it soak. Then you're going to get out your food coloring. And we're just going to do some dots of food coloring, different places. Already looks kind of cool, doesn't it? All right, let's use my favorite color. A little bit of purple. And let's do a little bit of green. All right, I'm gonna add one more. I'm gonna add some pink. All right, then you're going to take your cotton ball and get ready to drop it into the milk. So here it is all soaked. Let's watch. Look at all of those pretty colors. They just seem to seem coming right out of that cotton ball. You'll have to watch it for quite a while because it just keeps on moving. It kind of looks like a giant Easter egg. There's Mrs. Howard's favorite colors, teal and purple. Cool, huh? Show me, if you guys do this at home, show it to me. Take a video of it and show me what yours look like.